Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for June 8th to the 20th. We have a lot to talk about here. We have our first tropical system, and it's Andrea. Here's the latest coordinates. Position 25.2 north, 86.6 west. Winds are 40 miles per hour, gusts of 45. Movement is towards the northeast at 3. Pressure is 1,005 millibars. Excuse me, 1,005 millibars. And here it is, location over the Gulf. Now, there's a couple things that are impacting the system. First, we're going to look at a water vapor imagery. And we have a little bit of dry air here to the west of the system. This might inhibit strong and rapid intensification. And the center is somewhere around this area right here, and the deep convection is still to the east. Now we're going to look at an infrared satellite image. See the deep area, deep convection, the dry air here to the west. And some of the forecast models are faster than the system, where I'm going to show you one model here. This is the NAM. And this one is slower and further to the west. Others are to the east. The GFS is to the east, but still forecasting rainfall amounts. So we're of several inches over parts of the Middle Atlantic and the southeast. So here's our tropical system right here. And this, this is NAM, and watch how it goes more to the west along the Appalachians. Now, see this to the west. Now, the GFS I looked before, it kind of takes a system like this, where it hugs the southeast coast. So, like I said, Andrea's forecast moves slowly northward tonight, then accelerate northeastward ahead of a mid-level trough moving in from the southeast U.S. The global models are in good agreement with this general scenario, although they also suggest a possibility of a jump or reformation of the center during the next 24 hours. Landfall on the coast of Florida, Big Bend, on Thursday afternoon or evening is expected. After that, the system is forecast to accelerate northeastward along the coast of the southeast United States. Another impact that will be going would be a baroclonic zone, and that may enhance the rainfall amounts. Now, another thing, the National Hurricane Center, they said it's unclear when Andrea will become post-tropical, and the National Hurricane Center also has Andrea remaining a tropical cyclone through 48 hours. So, we're expecting like I said, a heavy rainfall generally around this area here. Now, after that, following the system, a trough in the east should keep the region dry and cool. Conditions are expected to be hot at the start of the period into the Colorado River Basin under an upper ridge. So now we're going to go to our period for June 11th to the 15th. A trough is forecast near the west coast and the east coast, and a ridge is forecast over the West Central states. The model shows some variations in the location of the eastern trough. The European and the 0Z high resolution GFS depict a deep vortex near the North Pole. So during this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures across this region. For precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here. Now, I'm going to go to the later half of the period. This is for June 16th to the 20th. And the assumptions are in agreement with the period for June 16th to the 20th and depict a progression of the circulation pattern. So during this forecast period, I'm forecasting a trough to come near the west coast So forecast below normal temperatures here, and we have a trough here in the east below normal temperatures across this region. An upper ridge will still continue to cause above normal temperatures for this area. For precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation for the western states. So that is the latest long-range weather forecast discussion for June 8th and the 20th, and the latest information on Andrea. Uh, I'll be posting more updates as much as I can. So that's it for the weather right now, and have a good evening.